Hello, kids. It's me, Cody, your coding buddy. Welcome to Kids Cod.
Today's the day.
Today is a
it's
special
all
day.
For you.
It's Children's Day.
A celebration
Let's
for the
celebrate it
things
with
you
something
do.
super fun.
Little
Coding.
coders, big
Are you
dreams
ready?
inside. Building the future, making it bright.
Today, we'll create a fun project together and show how coding can be both exciting and magical. Grab your laptops, tablets, or just watch along. Let's get started. Today, we are going to create a fun and interactive game called Balloon Pop. In this game, you will see colorful balloons floating around the screen. Your task is to pop these balloons by clicking on them. The fun part is, the balloons will keep appearing in random positions and they will move around, just like real balloons flying in the sky. This will test your speed and accuracy. So, are you ready to create your own balloon popping game? Let's get started.
If you dream it, you can do it. The world of code.
Go to the Scratch website and create a new project and delete the cat sprite. Open up the sprite library and add in the balloon 1 sprite. To add a sprite from the sprite library, follow these steps. Put your mouse over the Choose a Sprite button, click on the magnifying glass, find the sprite you want in the library, click on the balloon sprite. In this game, we will be making lots of copies of the balloon sprite so we can try and pop them. These copies are called clones. Just like in a cartoon, where a character can make copies of themselves, in Scratch we can make a sprite make copies of itself. This is what the Create Clone of Myself block does. It tells the balloon sprite to make a copy of itself. First, let's hide the original balloon sprite and set its size to 50%. To do this, add this code to the balloon sprite. Next, we want to keep creating clones every few seconds. To do this, we have to add a forever block to the previous code. Inside the forever block, we can add the wait and the create clone blocks. These will handle the creation of clones every few seconds. When you run your code, the balloon will disappear because we used the hide block, and although there is a new balloon created every 5 seconds, we can't see them yet because we are creating copies of a hidden balloon. Now, let's make the balloon copies show up on the screen. They will appear in different places each time. First, we need to use a special block called When I Start as a Clone. This block tells Scratch what to do when a new balloon copy is made. We also need to use the Show block. This block makes the balloon copy appear on the screen. It's like magic. Finally, we use the Go to Random Position block. This block tells the balloon copy to go to a different place on the screen each time it appears. Add this code to the balloon sprite. When you run your code, you'll see new balloon copies popping up in different places on the screen. It's like a surprise party.
If you can do it, the world of code helps you pursue it. Step by step, don't be afraid.